Welcome to your 7-day listening challenge. Think of this as a guided journey where each day unlocks a new skill. You don't need hours of practice, just a little focused time every day. By the end of this week, English will sound clearer, easier, and more natural. Step by step, small actions will create big results. Let's begin. Day 1. Subtitles Practice, your first step. Imagine sitting down after a long day, ready to relax with a short video. Maybe it's a scene from your favorite TV show. Maybe it's a funny YouTube clip or a short TED Talk. Today, your task is simple. Turn on English subtitles. But don't just read the text. Listen carefully. Hear how the words are spoken. Notice how sentences flow together. For example, want to go often sounds like wanna go. That's linking. Words blend into one smooth sound. Pause when something catches your ear. Repeat it out loud. Feel how the sounds move in your mouth. Speaking along helps your brain connect sound and meaning faster. At first, it may feel like hard work. But by the end of today, you'll notice English already feels closer to you. Day 2. No subtitles. Embrace the challenge. Today, it's time to take away the safety net. Play the same video again, but this time turn off the subtitles. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, almost like swimming without floaties. But that discomfort is exactly what helps you grow. Listen to the rhythm of the voices. Notice the tone, the pauses, the stress on certain words. Don't worry if you miss entire sentences. That's normal. Your brain is adjusting to the natural speed of English. Keep a small notebook nearby. Write down any words or phrases you catch. Even 2 or 3 is enough. Later, check their meaning. You'll be surprised how much you understand just from context. Today is about courage. You're teaching your ears to trust the sounds. Day 3. Repeat and shadow, engaging with the sounds. Now, let's step deeper with a technique called shadowing. Pick a short clip, maybe a 1-minute podcast, a news update, or a small movie scene. Listen 3 times. The first time, relax and let it play. The second time, focus on the big picture. What is it about? The third time, listen for details, names, numbers, or small expressions. Then comes the fun part. Play it again and repeat right after the speaker. Copy their tone, rhythm, and speed. Don't worry about being perfect. You're training your ear and your mouth together. Shadowing may feel like acting, but it's one of the fastest ways to sound natural. Over time, you'll notice your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence growing. Day 4. Listen and read together. The power of text. Today, let's use both your eyes and ears. Find audio with a transcript, like a podcast episode, an audiobook chapter, or even a speech. Start by listening while reading along. Match every sound to the written words. Notice how contractions like don't and can't are pronounced quickly. Notice informal phrases like gonna or wanna. These small details reveal how English is spoken in everyday life. Then close the text and listen again. Without the words on the screen, you'll realize your brain recognizes more than before. This practice builds a bridge between written English and spoken English. It helps you understand not just what people say, but how they say it. Day 5. Learn with music. The joy of song learning doesn't always need to feel serious. Today, let's add music. Choose an English song you enjoy. Maybe a pop song, maybe something softer. The key is to pick something you like. First, listen while reading the lyrics. Let the rhythm carry you. Then, sing along. Don't worry if you're not a singer. The goal isn't performance, it's practice. Singing helps you remember phrases and improves your pronunciation. Pay attention to how singers often blend words. I'm gonna let you go may sound like I'ma let you go. Try copying those patterns. Later, when you watch a movie or talk with someone, you'll recognize the same sounds. Music makes learning playful. It connects English to your emotions and makes it stick. Day 6. Real conversation practice, engaging with others. By day 6, it's time to practice with real people. Arrange a short conversation in English. It could be with a friend, a teacher, or someone online. 10 minutes is enough. During the chat, focus more on listening than speaking. Don't rush your answers. If you don't understand, politely ask, "Could you say that again?" That simple request shows confidence, not weakness. If possible, record your conversation. Later, listen again. You may catch details you missed before. Over time, this habit helps you track your progress. Each real conversation is like a workout for your ears. It strengthens not only your listening, but also your courage to keep speaking. Day 7. Full English Day. Immerse yourself. Congratulations, you've made it to Immersion Day. Today, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch a full movie without subtitles. Listen to podcasts while cooking or walking. Play English music in the background. If you feel bold, change your phone or social media settings to English. Don't translate everything. Just live in the language for one day. At first it may feel strange, but soon you'll realize you can survive, even thrive, in English. At the end of the day, take 5 minutes to reflect. Compare how English sounded on day 1 and how it sounds today. You'll notice progress. English will feel less like noise and more like a familiar voice. And that's your 7-day listening challenge. Step by step, you've trained your ears to hear English more clearly. Remember, progress doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice. Even 10 minutes a day can bring change. Stay consistent. Stay curious. And above all, enjoy the process. You're not just learning English, you're building a new way to connect with the world. Every single day you're improving, and this is only the beginning.